Hello guys, and welcome back to our channel. Metal detecting is an excellent option to provide your kids with a fun and rewarding outdoor activity. It's a great way to get your kids outside and away from the screens, and offers the opportunity to discover hidden treasures. To make the experience enjoyable, investing in a metal detector designed with kids in mind is essential. The best kids metal detectors should be lightweight and easy to use, with features tailored to young adventurers' interests and abilities. To help make the decision easier, we've compiled a list of the best kids metal detectors on the market today, so keep watching and learn more about the best kids metal detectors. Let's begin with the best for the price, RM Rico Max Metal Detector. The RM Rico Max Metal Detector is the ultimate gift for kids who love exploring and discovering. Its waterproof coil, measuring 7.4 inches, ensures heightened sensitivity, making every metal detection experience more exciting. Made from harmless ABS plastic, you can have peace of mind knowing that your child is using a safe and non-toxic tool. With its 20% larger coil, you can cover more ground efficiently. Simply wave this lightweight detector over the surface, and if there's a metal object buried up to 4 inches below, the arrow and signal symbol will appear on the screen while emitting a clear sound. Plus, its telescoping design allows for easy unfolding and folding, making it particularly user-friendly for children and beginners. The only downside is that it can be a bit flimsy, but with proper care and handling, this minor drawback can easily be mitigated. And the next one is the best waterproof SunPow Metal Detector. SunPow Metal Detector is an excellent choice for treasure hunters of all ages. It has a 33-inch to 40.6-inch adjustable stem for different height detector enthusiasts. The ergonomic design involves an adjustable armrest and an anti-slip handle, making your hunting experience comfortable and stress-free. With its 10-inch waterproof search coil, SunPow IP68 waterproof metal detector works well in shallow water. This feature makes it perfect for beach metal detecting, so you can easily detect it on the beach and stream. You can also detect a depth of 8 inches, which is ideal for finding small coins and metal objects. Moreover, its adjustable backlight lets you use this metal detector at night. This metal detector is an excellent gift for beginners and is super easy to use. Nonetheless, the pinpoint feature seems to drain the battery a little quicker, so it's essential to be mindful of your usage. The next one is the best lightweight Partners Metal Detector. The Partners Metal Detector is a versatile tool that can be used for various metal detecting tasks. Whether you're looking for iron nails, aluminum rings, or even gold and silver coins, this metal detector is up to the task. This device is lightweight and easy to operate, with a comfortable handling and ergonomic design that makes it easy to use for extended periods. The unique thing about this product is its detection indication system. An audio alert and LCD display indicate metal detection, and once metal is detected, there's a beep sound and LCD screen light to remind you. This detector also has a diameter of 6.1 inches and a detection depth of 10 to 100 centimeters, making it suitable for a wide range of applications. Unfortunately, the device seems sensitive and may not be very accurate sometimes. However, this is a minor issue that can be addressed with a bit of practice and experience. Still haven't found a kid's metal detector that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The next one is the best easy to use Avid Power Metal Detector. The Avid Power Metal Detector is an excellent tool for kids interested in treasure hunting and metal detecting. With its adjustable stem and backpack, this metal detector is easy to carry and perfect for use outdoors. The search coil is designed to be 7.4 inches, which makes metal detecting more sensitive, and the metal detector can detect coin-sized targets up to 4 inches deep. This product has precise LCD detection and a buzzer. When close to metal objects, the green light turns red, the device will beep loudly, and the LCDs a dart. The closer you get to the object, the louder and more robust the signal. This makes it easy for kids to find metal objects without guessing. The only downside is that it should not be used in places with many electronic wires or equipment, which can interfere with the detection accuracy. The next one is the best adjustable, Sakab's Metal Detector. The Sakab's Metal Detector is an excellent choice for anyone who wants to find hidden treasures. Its advanced 10-level sensitivity adjustment function helps you find your desired metal targets accurately and quickly. This metal detector also features an intelligent LED display that works well in finding your lost valuables in the dark. The waterproof search coil can detect underground metal up to 6.7 inches deep and is suitable for treasure hunting at the seaside or beach. The metal detector accessories that come with it make it even more versatile, allowing you to use it in ponds and other shallow water bodies. This device is also adjustable and ergonomically designed, making it a great metal detector for kids aged 8 through 12 and adults. Nevertheless, it may be a bit heavy and difficult for children to carry for an extended period. The next one is the best designed Kentuck Tool Metal Detector. The Kentuck Tool Metal Detector is an exceptional tool for treasure hunting. With its upgraded DSP chip, this metal detector has a 30% higher detection accuracy than the original version. This professional detector has 5 adjustable sensitivity levels, allowing you to increase or decrease the sensitivity to find the target metal more accurately. With adjustable stem lengths from 29 inches to 40 inches, this metal detector is suitable for adults and kids. The ergonomically comfortable grip and 2.4-pound lightweight design makes it easier to carry and use for you and your kids to enjoy treasure hunting. The minor drawback is that the instructions are not very clear, but you can get used to it after some use and practice, so you don't need to worry much about that. In conclusion, with multiple features, the Kentuck Tool Metal Detector is perfect for beginners and experienced treasure hunters. And our winner today is Omo Metal Detector. It's best overall on all kids' metal detectors that we researched. The Omo Metal Detector is an excellent choice for treasure hunters of all levels, from beginners to experts. This detector has high sensitivity and can detect objects up to 8 inches deep for small coins and metal objects and up to 3 feet deep for larger objects. It comes with a waterproof search coil, enabling you to detect underwater, making it perfect for outdoor activities like beach, stream, and yard. This metal detector has 3 distinct modes and makes detecting metals a breeze. The all-metal mode notifies you whenever it sees any metal, while the disc mode allows you to discriminate against other types of metal for a specific one. It also comes with full accessories and a colorful packing box, which you may send to your children, husband, wife, or any friend who enjoys treasure hunting. Unfortunately, the control box is not waterproof, but it's not a big deal. Okay, that's all for today, guys. If you guys enjoyed this, make sure to smash the like button to subscribe. And please tell us which products you would like us to review next in the comments section. And don't forget to check the description box for all the buy links of the products featured today. If you want to see more helpful tips, guides, and gear to enjoy the benefits of the great outdoors, all that great stuff, make sure to subscribe. Also, feel free to follow us on Twitter and Instagram and our Facebook page in the description as well. For anyone who's interested in camping, hiking, and outdoor activities, click like and follow us. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.